Hello learner, welcome to Zero to Embedded YouTube channel. Today topic, LCD interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Today, agenda, Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Tools, Chapter 3, Concept, Chapter 4, Software, Chapter 5, Simulation, Chapter 6, Flash software and hardware results. Today topic, LCD interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. In this video you will learn about what are the tools required, schematic diagram, nothing but how to do connections, how to write embedded C code, nothing but software, how to simulate code, how to flash software on 8051 development board, and finally, hardware results. Chapter 2 Inches Tools. 1 Kyle-eyed software, 2 Prog ISP, software, 3 8051 development board, 4 USB ISP programmer, hardware, 5 USB port drivers, 6 LCD and resistors. Chapter 3 Concept. Chapter 2 Inches Concept. Take 8051 development board and LCD crystal display. Connect 8051 port 0 to LCD display D0 to D7 like showing in the video. Connect port 2.0, 2.1, 2.2 to LCD RD, RW, N pins like showing in the video. And connect pin 40 to power supply and point 20 to ground like showing in the video. Pause the video, make sure all connections are done. Chapter 4 Software. Step 1. Create project. Step 2. Create file and link to source group. Step 3. Write embedded C code. Step 4. Save the file with C extension. Step 5. Right-click on project and enable Create hex file checkbox. Step 6. Build the target. Make sure code should run without any errors. If you have any doubt, step-by-step procedure I have explained in previous video, LED interfacing with 8051 inches in detail, please refer. Here you can find the complete source code for LCD interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Pause the video and take a note of embedded C code on notebook, build it. Chapter 5 Simulation. Step 1. Go to Debug section, click on Debug. Step 2. Click on Run button. Step 3. Open Peripherals. Click on port 0 and port 2. Step 4. Look at peripherals, start blinking. Pause the video and understand the steps. Chapter 6. Flash software, and Chapter 7. Hardware results. Hardware connections. Port 0 and port 2 connect to female pins. Hardware connections. Port 0 and port 2 connect to female pins are connected to LCD display of D0 to D7 in RD, RW, N pins like showing in video. Connect Prog ISP USB flasher to 8051 microcontroller. Connect another end Prog ISP USB flasher to laptop. Flash software. Open Prog ISP software. See step-by-step process how to flash software. Step 1. Open Prog ISP. Step 2. Connect USB port. Step 3. Load hex file. Step 4. Select target AT89S52. Step 5. Click on Auto. Step 6. See results on results window. Flash successful. Pause the video whenever it's required and understand the steps. Hardware results are out here. Pause the video and look the results. Thanks for watching video. Today you learned about LCD interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Subscribe to 0 to Embedded YouTube channel for more embedded systems videos.